Hey guys, it's me, LegoMan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a corner twisted cube that is unsolvable. So, here's my cube. It's pretty smooth and it's kind of fast. Like, I'm not a pro at this, so I'm not really good at using it. But let's get right into this. So first step is you're going to take the middle piece out. You're going to do this for each middle piece. You're going to take it out, get the screwdriver, unscrew this screw until it comes to the top of the circle. And then when you unscrew it, put the thing back on, and then do that with all of the other ones. And then you're going to get the corner of the cube. It's going to be very easy to pull it out. So you're going to get the corner of the cube. You're going to pull it out like that. It's going to be very easy. Do that with each corner. Just wiggle it and stuff until it comes out. It's not that hard, but I'm just saying, doing this, don't think, oh my god, my cube is going to get ruined and stuff. No, this is literally how they make it. So don't get worried. Your cube isn't gonna get ruined. Ooh, nice thing. Okay, now pull it out. So you should get something like this. I see a lot of colors on my screen, but whatever. It's really cool. I want red on top, so I want the logo facing this way. Orange at the bottom because it sucks. But you see white and orange. You need a middle piece. Middle piece looks like this, and white and orange. You go right here, you just slide it in, just like that, and then you're going to take a corner twisting piece, like one of these pieces, and you're going to look for white, orange, green. White, orange, green, right there. So this is white, orange, green. We're going to place it in, of that right in. It's just looking at the colors. So orange at the bottom and so. Just go at the top and just slide it in. Place it down. Here, I'm going to give you a better view of what's going on. Okay. So that's how it should look so far. Now we're going to look for blue, white, and orange. So I found it, blue, white, and orange. And orange is going to be at the bottom, white in front, and blue on the side. Just go up and down. And then you're going to find orange, blue, and the middle piece, orange, blue. And just go from the side. Make sure this is straight, both pieces straight. Oh my god, it's hard getting it right. You just slide it right in. Okay, now we're gonna get to the green. You're gonna need orange and green. So you're gonna put orange at the bottom, green at the front, and place it right in. Now we're gonna need yellow, green, and orange. So yellow, green, and orange. So I just place it in. you'll get the hang of it if you do this thing a couple of thousand times. Not 1,000 times, like at least 2 times. You're gonna finally get the hang of it. So, orange, yellow. Orange and yellow. Slide it in. Oh my god. Make sure nothing comes out. So far it should look like this. Now we're almost done with the bottom layer. We just need one more piece. Blue, orange, and yellow. Found it. Blue, orange, yellow. Sit down. Now, don't try moving anything yet because they're all gonna fall out and stuff. So it should look like this. Let me bring the logo in front. Now, here's the part where it gets kind of weird. You get one of these middle pieces, you're like, okay, it should go right here, but that's a middle already. So you get one of these, it's white, green. You go right here, you look at it, white, green. So you place it in, going right there, and then blue, white. So you're gonna get blue, white middle piece, just like that. Place it in, and then just keep doing that for each one. Blue, yellow, just place it in, just like that. Okay, it looks kind of orange in the camera. Oh no, never mind. And then yellow, green. It should go in. Now what I have last is the color red. It should look like this so far. So what I have last is red. I'm telling you, it's better to put the middle pieces in first and then put the corner twisting pieces last, because if you do the other way, like corner twisting pieces first and then the middle piece, it's kind of hard getting the middle pieces in. So you are going to get red, white. So red, white. You're going to place it in just like that. Green, red. Oh my god. Green and red. Place that in. And then we need yellow, red. Place that in just like that from the side here. Let me give you a side view so you can place it in. And then the last one is blue, red. So go from the angle and in. Now here's the good part. Like, it's kind of easy, yeah. So we're putting the corner twisting pieces in now. So first we need white, blue, red. White, blue, red. We're going just like this. Inside. Just push it in. Blue, yellow, red. Squeeze it. Okay, it doesn't need that much like force to put it in, but that's what I'm doing. It's kind of better. So I'm gonna go in. So you're gonna stick. I didn't explain that. You're gonna stick the edge of this thing in first, and then you're gonna move it sideways in. And that is your fixed cube. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'm also doing another checkerboard pattern after this, how to do the checkerboard pattern and how to solve any cube. So stay tuned. Peace.